Good morning, beta. Yesterday, in the last class, we were doing revision of chapter number 1, that is integer. First exercise we have revised, properties we have done. 1.2 I have given you for the homework. So from the 1.2, I am writing few questions that you will do. I am waiting for you that you will do. Then I will ask the answer from you. Write a pair of integers whose sum is -5. Number 2, write a negative and positive integer whose difference is -3. Fill this blank and write the name of the property. Fill this blank and write the name of the property used. Next is if -1 is multiplied 12 times, what will be the sign? Hurry up, do these questions. Do these questions, beta. I am waiting for you. Yes. Who will answer the first question? Yes, Jalash.
-10 plus 5.
Loudly, be loud.
Ma'am, -10 plus 5.
-5, -1,
Ma'am, -10 plus 5.
-10 plus 5. Yes, okay. First pair is -10 plus 5, that is giving you -5. Yes, one more pair. Yes, Rihanika.
Ma'am, other pair is -15 plus 10.
Okay, good. Yes, Angel. Janvi. Janvi, can you tell me the pair whose answer is -5 on addition? So another pair that Jalash has told is -15 plus 10, that is -5. Now, write a negative and a positive integer whose difference is -3. Yes, Jasleen?
Yes, ma'am. -3 minus 0.
0 doesn't have any sign, beta. So, -3 minus 0. Can you tell any other pair? Instead of 0, can you tell me any other number?
Ma'am, 7 plus 4 plus 1 minus 2. -1 minus 2.
-1 minus 2, that is -2. आप ये जो पेयर मुझे आपने
Plus.
बताया है,
मैम वो दोनों ही नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे ना फिर। -1 and +2
Yes,
इंटीजर्स है।
yes, yes, yes. -1 और 2 इंटीजर है, बीच में सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, and that is giving you answer -2. And another one is
मैम पहले वाले सम
मैम मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
पहले सम की एग्जांपल बताओ।
first pair is -1 and 2. In this is minus, this is negative, this is positive, and the difference is minus. In the another one, we have -2 plus 1, and the difference of these two is minus. So integers are -2 and 1, and in this case -1 and 2, and their difference is minus. In this blank, you can see that 3 numbers are there, and on the left hand side I'm having 2 numbers. So 17 is missing here. So the property which contains 3 numbers is associative property of addition, because here the sign of addition is separating the brackets. So it is associative property of addition. When 2 numbers are there, it is called commutative property. When instead of 2 numbers, there are 3 numbers, then it is associative property. Is it okay? Yes, all of you, lower down your hands. Next is, if I multiply -1, -1, 12 times, as you can see that 12 is even, so answer will be +1. If it will be odd, then answer will be minus. Then answer will be negative. If it is a positive even number, then the answer will be positive. If it is an odd number, answer will be negative. Is it okay? Is it okay? Any doubt? Do this question. What will be the sign if we multiply 8 negative integer and 3 positive integer? Tell me the sign. What will be the sign? It will be positive or it will be negative? Multiply these two numbers, first part, and this is your second part, and tell me the answer. Eight negative integer. नेगेटिव की पावर अगर 8 है, 8 इज अ इवन नंबर, आंसर विल बी प्लस 3 पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव का तो आंसर पॉजिटिव ही होता है, पॉजिटिव इनटू पॉजिटिव साइन विल बी पॉजिटिव. इज इट ओके? नेगेटिव को आप 8 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, 8 इज अ इवन नंबर, आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव. और जितने मर्जी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करो, आंसर विल बी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. तो पॉजिटिव इनटू पॉजिटिव विल गिव यू पॉजिटिव आंसर. Next is, when you multiply these two number, minus will be plus, answer is 360. And in this question, what you will do, you will multiply the first two number, or you can multiply the last two number as well. 18 5s are 90, minus will be plus. When you multiply these two, this will give you minus 360. How you will solve question number 7? It is of verification. You will solve left hand side, right hand side separately. If you are getting same answer, that means hence verified, otherwise no. Yes, Lakshay.
नो मैम मैंने आंसर गेस किया था.
Yes, Drishti. What's the answer of left hand side after solving?
मैम 72.
And on the right hand side, are you getting the same answer?
नो मैम.
Why?
मैम 54 आ रहा है सेकंड का.
18 sevens are 126. 18 threes are 54. 126 minus 54 is 72. On the left hand side, what you will do is 18 into 7 plus minus 3. When you will open the bracket, the sign will change, plus minus minus. This will give you 4. And 18 fours are 72. On the right hand side, you have 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. 18 sevens are 126. 18 threes are 54 plus minus minus. And the answer is 72. So yes, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Don't solve them side by putting the equal sign between. That will be completely wrong. So today your homework is to revise this complete exercise in your rough notebook. You will solve each and every part in your rough notebook. So today's homework is exercise 1.3. Now, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 22. By which integer should minus 1 will be multiplied to get answer as minus 22? So it will be 22. 21 is a 21. 22 into 1 is 22 plus minus minus. Minus 1 will be multiplied by which integer to have 37 as answer. So the answer is minus 37 because minus minus will give you plus. Keep this thing in mind. If you want a negative answer, the number will be positive. If you want positive answer, your number will be negative. So answer of this is minus 37. Answer of this is 22. Negative answer चाहिए तो positive होगा, positive चाहिए तो negative. Is it okay? Kushi, do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Yes, Guni.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 5. In the question number 5, you have use a suitable property to find the product. Can you tell me the name of this property? The name of this property is distributive property. In this minus 48 is same. So you will take minus 48 common. After taking this common, you are left with 26. Plus sign will be there. This you have taken out. You are left with minus 36 as it is inside the bracket. Now solve this. Minus 48. This is 26 plus minus minus 36. Plus minus minus, minus kar diya, sign will be of negative, greater one. Minus 48. Minus minus is plus, this is 480. Okay, so do similar type of question. This is 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Hurry up, all of you, do this question. Do this question. Done that question, beta? In this, you can do it in the two ways. Either you will take 625 common, you are left with minus 35 plus 625 you have taken out, minus will be left, minus 65 this will become. So this is minus 35 plus minus minus, and you will write distributive property in the bracket. 625 same, this is minus 100. When you multiply this, answer is this. If you take minus common in the beginning, then you will have minus 60, 625 outside, and inside the bracket you have 35 plus 65. So I have done in both the ways. You can check your answer. Answer will be same, but here I have taken negative common. In this, I haven't taken negative common. Minus we have kept inside the bracket. So both are the ways. Both are correct. Check your answer. And inside the bracket, you will write the reason as distributive property. Okay. Now the next question is, in this you have given three terms of multiplication. Then what you will do, you will multiply them. Second part is 8 into 53 into minus 125. आप देख रहे हो तीनों ही टर्म्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रही हैं. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे? You will do it by rearrangement. No distributive property will be used because distributive property will be used only when multiplication and addition both are given. But here all the three terms are multiplying, so you will do it by rearrangement. In the rearrangement property, what you will do? You will do this. You will look for the two terms. You will search the pair which will give you 0, maximum number of 0. So in this, three terms are multiplying. If you shift this term at the second place and this second term you will write at the third place, you have changed the place of two terms. What does this property called? Commutative property of multiplication. A multiplied by B, B multiplied by A. So this is commutative property. Now multiply these two terms, they will give you minus 1000 into 53, that is minus 53,000. So property used here is commutative property of multiplication. Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? So all of you do this question that is exactly same as this. So find the pair of two terms that will give you maximum number of zeros. 25 4 the 100 होता है. 15 into 10 will give you 150. First को 4 के साथ, इसको इसके साथ. इनको pairing कर दो and you will write commutative property. What you will write? Commutative property. So when you multiply these two terms, minus 25 into minus 4, 15 into minus 10, this is minus 150, this is 100. When you multiply them, this is minus 15,000. You will write commutative property. Next is 7 into 50 minus 2. This is again distributive property, multiplication over subtraction. Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. You will write here distributive property. 7 will be multiplied with 50. 7 will be multiplied with 2. This is 350 minus 14, that is 336. So you will write here distributive property. Next question is minus 41 into 102. You will not simply multiply this, as you know that if you simply multiplying, if you are simply multiplying this term, what does it mean? You are doing simple multiplication, but they are not, you are told to find a multiplication by using suitable property. So what you will do, you will keep minus 41 same. This can be written as 100 plus 2. Now, as you can see that these two questions become same. Three terms are there. Minus you will keep as it is. Outside you will multiply them. This is 4100 plus 82. Minus is outside, so your answer is minus 1482. Don't directly multiply this, that will give you 0 number. If you just directly multiply them, whenever it is written to find the product by rearrangement, by using suitable property, then you have to use the property. And here property used is distributive property. Okay, so use the property distributive property. Next is minus 17 into minus 29. All these questions today you will do in the rough notebook for practice. When you multiply these two terms, minus minus will become plus. Your question has changed. 17 you will take as it is. 29 can be written as 30 minus 1. 29 can be written as 30 minus 1. Now, check these two questions. This and this are exactly same. Multiply this. This is called distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Tell me the answer. What answer you are getting? Who will tell me the answer? Hurry up. Solve this. Solve this, beta. Nobody is there who can tell me the answer of this. 17 into 30 minus 17 into 1. This is 510. Answer is 493. Last question of this, last part of this question is, now what you will do? What you will do here? You will write 57 into 1 because 57 is a single term. So 57 ones are 57. It doesn't make any difference to the question. So that's why I have written it with multiply by 1. Minus minus will become plus. Question has changed to this form. Now, 4 terms are there. 50. This is the first pair. This is the second pair. 57 is common. You are left with 19 plus 1. 19 plus 1 is 20. The step in which we have taken common is your distributive property. So you will multiply them. Answer is 1140. This is the answer. And in this we have used distributive property of multiplication over addition. Or simply you will write distributive property. In question number 9, minus 3 will be multiplied by which number to get 27 as answer? Minus 3 will be multiplied by which number to get 27 as answer? So it will be multiplied with minus 9. If you don't know the answer, how to calculate it, you can simply divide this number 27 with 3. That will give you minus 9 as answer. If you are not knowing the answer, then you can, instead of multiplication, you can check the answer by division also. So see one more question. 35 will be multiplied by which number to get minus 35 as answer? So you will find the value of x by minus 35 divided by 5, that is minus 7. So your answer is minus 7, you will write.